In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply ZFONT emojis on Samsung. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Very quickly, I want to make a disclaimer that I'm not recording this video on a Samsung phone, but the process is exactly the same and it's going to work regardless of which phone model you have, which means it's going to work for all phones, including your Samsung device. All you have to do is open up the Play Store, and inside the Play Store, look for ZFONT 3. You need to download this first app from Kon Etats Nang, and then when you install it, it's going to give you the option to switch the default emojis on your Samsung device to a lot of options, including the ZFONT iPhone ones. This will work for any app you use where you can see the emojis, and you can change it by just opening up the app. Just agree to the terms and conditions, see what's new, and from the list you can select which emojis you want to use. Just scroll down until you find the iOS official ones, and you will be able to apply them instantly. I hope I was able to help you on how to apply ZFONT emoji on Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.